How to use the 40% method on Roblox items. First, you need to head over to the description and then copy paste this link I have ready for you here. Next, what you want to do is click on Get Model and try in Studio. It's gonna be opening up your Roblox Studio. If you don't have one, download it. And as you can see, it's installing Roblox Studio. So let's continue with the profile. Open Roblox Studio. And as you can see, it's loading Studio. So go to the toolbox, My Models, and from here you should be able to see Item Buyer. Now drag this into the Starter GUI. Go to the Game Settings. Go to Game Settings, Security, and make sure these two are enabled, and click Save. Now click Play, go to Catalog, and copy paste the ID from the item link. So let's go to roblox.com/catalog. I'm just gonna click this, copy this ID right here, paste it here, and bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.